How to find your favorites on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to find your favorites on the TikTok app. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the TikTok app on my phone, and then when I'm on my TikTok app, then I will need to click on Profile. So when you're in here and you want to find your favorite videos, sounds and so on TikTok, then you will need to click right here. As you can see in here, you will be able to see your favorite TikTok videos, collections, sounds and also effects. If you scroll to the right, then you can see that there is some more selection in here as well, like questions, hashtags, and also products. So there is a lot of things that you can find in here, as you can see. So this is basically how to find your different favorites on the TikTok app. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.